Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are well. Welcome to my channel. I am Anindo Chaudhary and today I will discuss a new chapter, that is distance and direction. This is the most important chapter not only in the banking examination but also in the SSC and railway examinations, that is D&D, that means distance and direction. Okay, and this is a very interesting subject. In case of distance and direction, we all know that there are four quadrants. Okay, north opposite south, east opposite west. Is it clear to each and everyone? And is it clearly understand if we cross this section? That means here it is northeast, here it is southeast, here it is southwest, here it is northwest. Is it clear? And we all know that the total angle of this is 360 degree. That means each angles are 45. Each angle are 45. Clear? Now, what types of question is come in the examinations hall? Is it clear? If you will please take a screenshot. Okay, now I will erase it. So, the question is please listen my word, okay? I will not write down the questions. Please listen my word. Sam travels 7 kilometers towards north. Sam travel, we all know that this is north, south, east and west. Sam travels 7 kilometers towards north. Sam travels 7 kilometers towards north. Then he turned to his right. That means traveling in north, right direction means towards east, left means towards west. Is it clear? Then he turns to his right and walks 3 kilometers. He again turned to his right. East right, that means south direction. East left, that means north direction. Is it clear? He again turns right and moves 7 kilometers. Clear? Now the question, now in which direction he is from starting point? He is now this and his starting point is now this. Is it clear? A is the starting point, B is the ending point. Both are same kilometer. So which direction he is from starting point? That means east direction. Your answer is east. This is a simple question. So when we go from the difficult level questions, first of all this is easiest question and next question is moderate level question. That means please listen my word. I will not write down the questions. I will just explain here. Okay. Lucky walks 7 kilometers in east direction. Lucky walks 7 kilometers in east direction. Then he turned to his right and moved 20 kilometers. Then he turned to his right and moved 20 kilometers. 1 minute. 7 kilometers in east direction, 20 kilometers in right direction. Then he turned to his left. Then he turns to his left and walk 5 kilometers. Clear? Then he turned to his left and move 11 kilometers. That means north direction. Here is 20. This is the 11 point, or you can say this is the 11. Is it clear? Then he turned to his left and moved 11 kilometers. And then again he turned to his left and moved 12 kilometers. That means this is the 5, this is the 7. So this is the point. This is the point. 12 kilometers. Now in which direction he is from his starting point? Here it is the starting point. In which direction he is from his starting point, and this is the ending point. That means south direction. That means south direction. বোঝা যাচ্ছে কি বলছি? বোঝা যাচ্ছে কি বলছি? South direction. Question হচ্ছে in which direction he is from his starting point. Starting point is A. Ending point is B. That means south direction. Starting point respect to ending point is, starting point with respect to ending point is north, but ending point with respect to starting point is south direction. But the important question is how far. Listen very carefully. This is the total direction of from 7 kilometer right and again right 20 kilometer. Here it is 11 kilometer. So rest is 20 minus 11 is equal to 9 kilometer. So that implicates this position is 9 kilometer. This position both are equal. That means 9 kilometer. So your answer is his ending point with respect to starting point is south. And how far? How far? সেটা হচ্ছে 9 kilometer. Is it clear? বোঝা যাচ্ছে? Next question. And one most important logic in the distance and direction, that is, just give me 1 minute. At the time of sunrise, that means here north, south, east, west. বুঝা যাচ্ছে? নর্থ, সাউথ, ইস্ট, ওয়েস্ট। আমরা কি জানি? আমরা জানি ইস্টে সূর্য ওঠে। এটা মন দিয়ে বুঝবে, এই লজিকটা কিন্তু ভেরি ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট লজিক। You all know that the sun rises in the east. When the person is facing in north direction, when the person is facing in north direction, his shadow is toward his left. At the time of sunset, we all know that in west direction, when the person is facing in north direction, his shadow is toward his right. Similarly, in the person is facing in south direction, at the time of sunrise, his shadow is toward his right. And at the time of sunset, his shadow is toward his left. এটা বোঝা যাচ্ছে? তাহলে আমার কথা হলো, যখন 12টা বাজবে, when the time is 12 noon, তখন সেই পার্সনের শ্যাডোটা কোন দিকে পড়বে? সে যদি নর্থেই হোক বা ইস্টেই হোক বা সাউথেই হোক বা ওয়েস্টে হোক, 12 নুনের সময় তার শ্যাডোটা কোন দিকে পড়বে? At the time of 12 noon, there will be no shadow, because the sun is in the overhead of the persons or any other persons in case of 12 noon. বোঝা যাচ্ছে? চলো next question. I think is it clearly understand, and this is a very easiest chapter. Okay, question is, a man is facing north. Please write down it. A man is facing north. He turns 180 degree in clockwise. That means this is the distance: north, south, east, west. Persons are facing in north direction. Okay, 180 degree clockwise. Clockwise means this, anti-clockwise means this. Clear? বোঝা যাচ্ছে? চলো, a man is facing in north. He turned 180 degree, that means 90 degree, another 90 degree in clockwise direction, another 45 degree in the same direction. That means this is the 90 degree, that means this is the 45 degree. Clear? And 270 degree in the anti-clockwise. That means from this point 270, that means 45 and 45 90, 45 45 90 180, 45 45 and 270. This is your point. Question: which direction is facing now? He is facing in northwest direction. So your answer is northwest. Clear? So students, let us take another example. Question is, I will not write here, okay, please note down it. Dinesh walked 6 km in west direction. Dinesh walked 6 km in west direction. He turned to his right. He turned to his right and walked 8 km. And he turned to his left. And he turned to his left and walked 9 km. And then he turned to his right and moves 12 km. Clear? Now he is in which direction? He is from starting point. That means this is the starting point. This is the close. This is the curve. This is the one and this is the second. এটা বোঝা যাচ্ছে কারণ? বুঝতে অসুবিধা হচ্ছে না তো? দেখো, এটা বোঝা যাচ্ছে? দেখো, এইটা হচ্ছে 12, এই পজিশনটা ডিসটেন্স হচ্ছে 12, এইটা 8, তার মানে কি এটাও 8, এটা যদি 12 হয়, এটা যদি 8 হয়, তাহলে এটাও 8, তাহলে এটাও 9, তাহলে এটা টোটাল হচ্ছে 9 plus 6 15, and this 12 plus 8, that means 20. Now distance between ending point with respect to starting point, that is root over of square, Pythagoras rules, 20 square plus 15 square. Clearly understand? Is equals to 400 plus 225 is equals to root over of 625, that is equal to 25. So the shortest distance of the ending point, that means E, and the starting point, that is S, is 25 km. So I hope it is clearly understand, and I also hope this is the easiest topic and this is a very conceptual topic in the reasoning subject. If this video is helpful to you, then please like, as much as possible share, and also subscribe on this channel. Thank you so much.